Okay guys, so round the Great Orme, North Wales land on the Skywatching from here tonight. It's going dark now, another half hour I reckon. Beautiful night, nice and clear. Let's see if we can film anything unusual on this night vision camera in these skies. I certainly love it, brilliant. Beautiful evening, it's going dark. Can't beat getting out. Doesn't have to cost much. Just makes you feel great. Good for your well-being, your mental health. Get yourself out guys if you can. Some people can't, I know that. But it really does do you and the world a good. Such a quiet time, nobody around. You don't get too many people when you walk these sort of places, but nobody around this time. It's just gone 10 past 10, it's going dark. Feel like one with nature. When you're on your own in these places, you've got all these cliffs and the sea. Love it. So I'll set up this night vision camera, this Unix I'm using. Somebody just walked past me and warned me that be careful, the seagulls are attacking. The seagulls are mad in this area. I got a burger earlier, and if you get anything to eat, you've got to keep it close to you, keep it out of the way, because so many people get this food taken off them, and then the seagull come right down, took a big bite out of my burger and flew off. If I weren't holding it tight, I would have had a lot. And they do attack. Especially if they're nesting, they've got young, and they do attack. Somebody warned me about that, so we'll see. So quiet. Brilliant. Also love it, gonna chill out for a bit of this Brewdog double hazy gin, it's called. Relaxing. Got the sky around there. sun's coming out now, so this is where I'm going to be sky watching from tonight. It's supposed to clear up lovely. little beach like this, and all around. And then when it goes dark, set this psionics up. And then Skywatch from here for the night. Beautiful.